Good day everyone and welcome to our online math aralan. In today's session, we will be differentiating routine from non-routine problem. Sa totoo lang, nung una hindi ko rin alam kung ano ang routine at non-routine problem. Kaya kapag ang kompetensya ay routine at non-routine, nagtuturo lang ako kung ano ang pagkakaintindi ko. Maaring may mga non-routine din sa mga naituro ko pero hindi ako sigurado kung routine o non-routine nga ang mga iyon. And fortunate are those teachers who have attended trainings and seminars on this kind of topic. Paano naman ang mga hindi? Kaya sama-sama po tayong matuto ngayon sa ating session. Isi-share ko ang aking alam tungkol sa topic na ito at I believe there are a lot of teachers over there who are already expert on this kind of topic. But for us na hindi pa, sabay-sabay po tayong mag-aralan. Mat-aralan as one is T.O. Romblon. Our session today is just an introduction on routine and non-routine problems. First, let us differentiate routine from non-routine problem. Routine problem is a translation problem for which you can write an equation. It is a type of problem which there is an immediate solution. While non-routine problem does not have path to the answer. It is not readily known and requires resolution. It is a problem which requires analysis and insights into known principles of mathematics. Non-routine problems are important to mathematics education because they enhance critical thinking, flexibility, thinking out of the box, innovation, imagination, and creativity. How about routine problem solving and non-routine problem solving? Routine problem solving involves using at least one of the four arithmetic operations and or ratio to solve problems that are practical in nature. It concerns, to a large degree, the kind of problem solving that serves a socially useful function that has immediate and future payoff. When children are combining and separating their toys, they are solving routine problem already. On the other hand, non-routine problem solving is mostly concerned with developing students' mathematical reasoning power and fostering the understanding that mathematics is a creative endeavor. From the point of view of students, non-routine problem solving can be challenging and interesting. From the point of view of planning classroom instruction, teachers can use non-routine problem solving to introduce ideas to deepen and extend understandings of algorithms, skills, and concepts, and to motivate and challenge students. The table on the screen shows the difference between routine and non-routine questions. Routine problems do not require students to use higher order thinking skills. Usually, the procedure is clear. Non-routine problems require higher order thinking skills, increased reasoning ability, the procedure is not immediately clear, encourage more than one solution, and many others. There are strategies which can be used to solve non-routine problems. If you and your students are using these strategies, perhaps you have given them a non-routine problem. Some of these strategies are: number 1, guess and test, or trial and error. Number 2, working backwards. Number 3, drawing a picture, diagram, or sketch making. Number 4, making a chart or table. And number 5, looking for patterns. Let us use the competency of grade 2. I know that the medium of instruction for grade 2 is mother tongue, but for the sake of our discussion, we will use English. The competency is: the learner solves routine and non-routine problems involving addition of whole numbers, including money, with sums up to 1,000, using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. We can make a problem like what is written on the screen. This problem is considered as routine. The students will just use their knowledge in addition, right? This is the exact definition of routine problem solving. It involves using at least one of the four arithmetic operations. Halimbawa, my mother gave me 35 pesos, my father gave me 45 pesos, my grandmother gave me 85 pesos. How much money do I have now? The next problem is a non-routine problem. Arrange the numbers 1 to 9 along the lines inside the circles of the triangle so that the sum of the four numbers along each side of the triangle is equal to 20. Each circle should have contained different numbers. Both problems require addition, right? In the first problem, you need to know what should be added. While in the second problem, you are also told to add. Pupils' understanding on addition can help them solve this problem, but that is not enough. The most important here is to find out a strategy that could be applied in order to solve the problem. In this case, the pupils may use different strategies such as guess and check. Look at the next example. There are 18 animals in a pet store. Some are birds and some are dogs. There are 50 legs in all. How many birds and how many dogs are there? It would be easy for the students if they will just add the number of birds and dogs, right? Or to determine how many dogs or how many birds are there since the total number of animals are given. But the problem requires not only students' knowledge on addition or perhaps subtraction. It requires imagination and critical thinking. The students may use table, then trial and error to answer this problem. The next example is one of the activities we have conducted during the language-based strategies in teaching mathematics seminar. You have three empty containers. The first container can hold 3 liters, the second container can hold 5 liters, and the third container can hold 9 liters. How can you use these containers to exactly measure 7 liters of water? This problem involves addition and subtraction only, yet your ability in arithmetic may not be enough. It involves critical thinking, creativity, innovation, imagination, and thinking out of the box. There are two possible answers here. Making table was used to determine the answer. Here are some of the examples of routine problem. The following are some of the examples of non-routine problems. Problem 1 can be solved by drawing or making diagram as well as number 2 to find the pattern. Making tables can be used to answer number 3. Looking for a pattern can be used for number 4. And working backwards can be used to answer number 5. Before we end our session, sasabihin ko na po ang paraan kung paano makakuha ng Certificate of Online Participation sa session na ito. Comment on this post, hashtag Mataralan as 1 is the Oromlon. Number 2, your name. Number 3, name of your school. And number 4, an example of non-routine problem. Gusto ko po mag-request ng favor. If ever you want to post your certificate, please include in your post our new hashtag. Hashtag Mataralan as 1 is the Oromlon. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope it concretized your understanding about routine and non-routine problem. Hanggang sa susunod po nating session sa ating Mat-Aralan. Our topic next session is all about strategies on how to teach the least learned competency in elementary level, which is creating problems with reasonable answer.